Let's move on to the first method. First, look for the first method. I have an orchid with wilting and falling flowers. In order for the orchids to be able to produce flower branches from their nodes, you need to prune the old flower branches, that is, the faded flower branches, without waiting too long. If you wait too long, the flower branches may turn yellow. Look, the majority of these flowers have fallen and the rest of the flowers are now fading. In such a case, what you need to do to prune is not counting the knuckles, but cutting them with a sharp knife between the empty knuckles and the full knuckles. I'm showing you up close. See the knuckle underneath? The knuckle on the other was an empty knuckle. Again, we will prune the other branches in the same way. These are the places where flowers fall. Look, these are empty nodes. I'm cutting between the full node and the knuckle with this flower branch. You can use it with sharp scissors. Yes, look, we cut it like this and I'm showing the bottom knuckle closely. Each node means a new branch of flower for us, so don't cut the full knuckles for nothing. We only cut the empty knuckles that have spilled flowers.